Perfect Locks tape-ins are one of the fastest semi-permanent hair extensions you can install. Whether you're using our traditional tape-ins for normal to thick hair or our Invisi tape-ins for fine or thinning hair, the process is the same. Before you get started, make sure you've ordered enough hair to get the look you want and even to blend well. Our set of tape-in hair extensions has 5 sandwiches to a pack, or 10 pieces total. You may need 3 to 4 packs or even up to 6. Our model Morgan wanted both length and a lot of volume, so we installed 7 packs in total. Preparing the hair for tape-ins is critical. The hair needs to be as smooth and clean as possible, or the adhesive won't properly bond with the hair. Hair oils, styling products, even conditioner residue, all can create issues that will lead to them falling out. Start at the back of the head, clipping and cleanly sectioning the hair. Place the first tape in 2 fingers up from the bottom of the hairline on the neck, and about 2 fingers in on the sides. This makes sure that the tape will be invisible when the hair is up or down. Make sure that the section of hair that you take is equal to the width of the tape. Be sure to take the appropriate amount of hair in between the weft to ensure that it won't fall out or, worst, be too much weight for the few strands of hair to hold it without damaging the hair. Keep the slice thin so you can see through it. Remove the adhesive backing and place the first tape in about 1/4 inch away from the scalp, under the section with the adhesive facing you. Place the second tape in right on top of the one you just placed, sandwiching the natural hair in between the two. Crimp with a plier tool or gently tap with a warm flat iron to activate and seal the bond. When placing the tape-ins, make sure they're perfectly horizontal in the back, as angles can create unequal tension, leading to breakage. Repeat the process right next to the first section and place your second tape in, making sure to leave a little gap in between the two. Move about 1 inch upward, section and repeat. Pull out some natural hair on the sides to blend the tape-ins correctly. Your sections should look like this: a horseshoe shape starting about the ear and going around the back to the other side. Repeat the process on the right side and left side, installing these two at a slight angle to seamlessly blend. Finish this section by placing another 2 in the back, for 4 in total. On the third row, take a slightly smaller section this time, and bricklayer this row by placing the first tape in above and in between the 2 below. On the sides, place the tape in about 1 finger above the one below. Do the 4th row the same as the others, bricklaying the tape in again so it's in the middle between the 2 below. Place 3 on the back and 1 on each side. The side pieces should be about 3 finger lengths up from the ear. For the money pieces on the sides, section at an angle, and place 2 final tape-ins to seamlessly blend. With fine hair, you only want to place a tape-in no less than 2 fingers away from the front, to make sure that when the hair is pulled back, the tape-in is still hidden. With curly and textured hair, you can apply closer to the front hairline, as the thickness of the hair will hide it better. Comb through with a Perfect Locks loop brush to detangle and check the finished result. You're done. Though tape-ins are easy for anyone to install, they are best installed by your certified professional hairstylist. They're trained in advanced techniques including cutting, blending, and even special application. Refer your stylist to visit our website to order the hair for your installation. Or you can even purchase the hair yourself and bring it to them for installation. And if you need to find a Perfect Locks certified hairdresser, check our salon locator to find one near you.